Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, where I'm going to show you exactly how to add a clickable link to any image in Wix. Whether you're looking to make banners interactive, drive your visitors to another page, or simply want your images to do more than just sit pretty, this tutorial has got you covered. By the end, you'll know how to transform any picture into a gateway to another site, page, or resource, with just a few easy steps. So let's get started right away. The first thing you'll want to do is actually add an image to your Wix site. If you haven't already, head over to the left side of your Wix editor and look for the Add button. Sometimes it's called Add Element. Click on it, and then choose Image. Wix gives you a few choices here. You can upload something from your own computer, select an image from their media gallery, or even connect to external sources. If you just want to play around, the default image is fine. But usually, you'll want to make this your own. So take a moment to pick something that fits your page's purpose or style. Next up, let's personalize that image. If you selected the default one and it doesn't really fit, go ahead and change it. Just click on the image itself, and the image settings panel will pop right up. You'll see options to swap out the photo, adjust cropping, or even add cool effects. Really make sure the image suits what you want your visitors to see and, more importantly, where you want them to go once they click it. Once you're happy with your image choice, now's the fun part. Making it clickable. Click directly on your image and look out for a little icon that looks like a chain link or sometimes just says link. This is the gateway to making your image interactive. Give it a click and you'll see Wix present several link options. You can link to another page within your site, an external web address, a downloadable document, an email, even anchor points if you want visitors to jump further down the same page. Spend a moment thinking about what makes the most sense for your visitors. For example, if you're showcasing a product, you might link that image straight to your shop page. If it's a partner logo, maybe you want them to go directly to your partner's website. Let's say you want to send visitors to a specific website. Select web address from the link choices and then carefully type or paste the URL. Double-check it. Broken links can be super frustrating for your visitors and can even affect your site's professionalism. Wix also lets you choose whether the link opens in a new tab or the same tab. For most links to an external site, opening in a new tab is considerate, so your users won't lose their place on your site. Once you've configured everything, hit Done to save. Take a breath here. It's always good to give your changes a second look before you move on. Now, before you get too excited, let's make sure your link is working the way you want. Up at the top right of your Wix editor, there's a Preview button. Click that to enter preview mode. Your site now looks and feels just like it would to a real visitor. Scroll to your image and click. It should take you exactly where you set it up to go. Don't worry if it doesn't work perfectly the first time. Sometimes we all copy-paste a link with an extra space or make a tiny typo. Just pop back into the editor and fix it up. And that's all there is to it. Your image now doubles as a clickable link, ready to guide your audience wherever you want them to go. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if you have any questions or run into any trouble down in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, helpful Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.